In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second WhatsApp account on phone. By the end, you'll have two separate WhatsApp accounts living side by side, perfect for keeping work and personal conversations neatly divided. Before we begin, make sure you have a second phone number that can receive SMS messages. This can be from a physical SIM, an eSIM, or even a number on another phone you can access. Also, ensure you're connected to the internet and keep that second device handy if the code arrives there. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. From the main chat screen, open the app menu. On most Android devices, that's the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap those dots and choose Settings. If you're on a device where the Settings tab is visible at the bottom, you can go straight there. Inside Settings, look at the top of the screen near your profile name. You'll either see a small drop-down arrow or a green plus icon. Tap that area and select Add Account. Don't worry if the icon looks a little different on your device. Both options take you to the same place to add a second account. Next, tap Agree and Continue. This confirms you accept WhatsApp's terms for creating another account on the same phone. It doesn't change your existing account. It simply allows you to set up a second one alongside it. Now choose your country code and type in your second phone number, the one that's different from your current WhatsApp number. Double check that the number is correct since you'll need to verify it in the next step. If you're unsure whether a number is supported, use a standard mobile number that can receive SMS. WhatsApp will send a one-time registration code to that second number via SMS. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a moment and ensure the device with that number has a signal. Never share this code with anyone. It grants access to your account. If you still can't receive the code, follow the on-screen options in WhatsApp to try again. Once verified, add your display name and, if you like, a profile picture. Complete the short initialization process so the new account can finish setting up. Give it a moment to prepare your chats and settings. That's it. You've successfully added a second WhatsApp account on your phone. Keep your details up to date and remember that each account is tied to its own number and settings, so manage notifications and privacy for each one as needed.